Twice in one day. Lydia came by this morning. Of course, well, she tried to I could reach into a door, but no intention. Just threatened me. No, it's an empty threat, I can see. I guess I'm still on edge about what happened. It's safe to say that we all are. It's hard to imagine that you ever saw a saboteur tampering with a DVD just before it played. I was thinking the same thing this morning when I was packing Lydia's things. I came across the signed book.